And welcome back to the Dadskillz car channel. Now in this one, we're going to change these spark plugs in the Honda CRV. And I've been putting this off for a few reasons. I've been waiting for a few bits and pieces to come. So I got the spark plugs the other day, no problem. I've been waiting on a can of Bulldog BDX, which came, and I've been applying that every couple of days to the crusty old nuts that are on top of the coil packs. I'll show you that in a moment, because I think they might be a struggle to get off. They don't look like they've been removed for a while. And then I was also waiting for some new nuts to go on top. So all those are here, so we're going to give it a crack when we get home. The car should be nice and warm. Hopefully that may help. So I'm going to get all my jobs done, and I'll see you at home. So I started off trying to wire brush off those nuts as best I could. Get off as much crud as I could. Now here are the spark plugs. The guy in JR said that these are a 60,000 mile replacement job. So the car's only done 80,000. So whether they have been changed or not, I'm not quite sure. They should have been, but who knows. So when I started, I only managed to get one nut undone initially. That was with a 10mm socket, and that was the first one I tried. I ended up going through a few different sockets, a few AF sizes, and I actually ended up hammering on a 9mm onto a couple of them. And then we got that one in the end. Make sure we don't leave the nut in the end there. So now we can take off all our crusty nuts, and there it is. Then I could unclip all the coil packs. I didn't break any clips, which was amazing. We got away with it. Give the coil pack a bit of a clean. I sprayed all the Bulldog everywhere. And we'll take the first spark plug out and see what we think. And I think that looks okay to me. New one in. Haven't lost the rubber bit out the spark plug socket, which is good. And do it up tight, but not too tight. Same again. Now you'll see from all the sockets that come out, they all look the same, which is great. New one going in, and the new one going in, the actual electrode on it, is as pointy as the one I took out. So it's the design rather than these old spark plugs have worn weirdly. Look, that pointy end. So all the coil packs can go back on. Clip them back in. And then I've got my new nuts there. Domed chrome tops on. So that they protect the whole thread, which is great. And they should be a breeze to take off next time. Perfect. Let's start her up and see if I've messed anything up. No, don't think so. Good stuff. I'll see you next time.